Mona, and today we have the pleasure of having actor Yami Gautamdhar with us at the Tribune. Welcome, Yami.
Thank you, Mona.
So, Yami, your latest film, Haq, is winning lots of love and praise. We want to know all about its journey, getting the role, the shoot, and now such a phenomenal feedback.
I don't know where to I begin. It was around, I think, 2023 when Suparan, the director of the film, and Reshu Nath, who's written the film, they both came and they discussed the film with me and the subject. And of course, I was while I was really excited, but I am a reader. I love reading my scripts, and that's just my creative process. So I asked for the script, and when I was done reading, I was sure the story has to be told. And there are many ways of telling a story. It could be a thriller, it could be an emotional drama, it could be a human drama with, of course, showing the legal aspect also. But I'm someone who goes by my instinct, and my first instinct said that yes, I really want to do this, and I came on board, worked hard, worked really, really, really hard, because you're talking about a film which is inspired by someone whose aspect of a certain life has been in public domain, and that judgment is who would understand more than you, from media, being a journalist, how important, how pivotal that was at that point of time, and not just at that point of time, but a lot of events that followed. And so the idea was to tell a story that behind all of this was this actually very simple woman who's all about love, her family, her dedication, her devotion. And yet there comes a time in life where everything is a question. Everything becomes, there's betrayal, you feel it's unjust, it's not fair. And the same emotions drive you then to take a decision which I don't think she ever thought that what it would lead to. I think the idea was to just fight for something that she felt was right, which is why our film, while yes, it's inspired by the case, but for me, how I have performed the character, keeping in mind that anyone who watches the film, regardless of your caste, regardless of your religion, your class, whoever you are, you'll find a piece of yourself somewhere connected to Shazia. That's how I played it.
Your first time with Suparan, how was the equation on the sets with the director?
Barring maybe two directors, I've always worked with new filmmakers. Maybe they're just maybe done one film or max two films. So I'm again someone who goes a lot by what I after I'm done reading the script, and if I love the script, of course I love to know what is your intention, behind making the film. How are you seeing the film? It's very important for the actor and director to see the same film, right? To be on the same wavelength. And it was really good working with Suparan. Of course, he's again someone who has a lot of ideas, who has a lot of passion, and someone who enjoys talking also. And unlike Suparan, someone who has a knack of making everyone feel comfortable who is working with, even though no matter how challenging, emotionally challenging the shoot can be or the scenes can be, but he has a knack of just lightening things up and tying the whole film together, and somehow just let's just do it, let's just, no matter what, let's be positive, let's do it. And I think that's essentially what the captain of the ship does. Film is always a director's medium, and I say where be it the praises, be it the criticism, it first belongs to the director of the film. So we are just, and the writer. I think Reshu's done a fantastic job. She's a brilliant writer, and it's always the team. Of course, it's for whatever reason, it's the actors who become the face of the film, when the film's been talked about, hopefully for all good reasons. But it's the more you work in the industry, the more you realize the importance of literally each and every person who's working on that set.
So Imran Hashmi is out to break his kisser boy image, first the Bads of Bollywood and now Huck. How is he as a co-star?
Really good to work with, extremely professional. I'm a fan of professionalism. Of course, talent is really important, but being professional, being punctual, respecting your time and others, being being there as a true co-artist, which means rehearsing if required, and just being easy to work with. By easy doesn't mean, it just means very simple thing, that there is no I or me on set. There is us, there is we. We are in service of the film. When I'm on set, I don't take myself, I take my job seriously. I don't take myself seriously. I'm an employee there. And I think that's a very similar attitude which even Imran has. And I'm sure when you ask this question to, if you ever get to speak to any of his other co-actors, I'm sure he'll have the same thing to say. Very respectful of everyone. So I'm very happy that he agreed to play this part, which he's played to perfection. And which is why I think people are really appreciating the performances also.
You've had quite a remarkable run on the box office, starting with Vicky Donor, and have always chosen, Hatke films. So, what is your process of going yes to a film?
I wish I had a complex answer. I wish I had an answer which makes you go, wow, that's a great process. But I don't. I just, as I said, I go by my instinct. And when I read a script, I read it as an audience, as much as I read as an artist. I cannot do a film thinking only that this is a great opportunity as an actor. As a film, no, I'm not sure. But as an actor, yes, I know. I don't think that works. I want my films to work. If the film works, everything works out. And if it's a well-written film, only then, even as a performer, that'll give you scope to do your job as an artist. So it's my instinct, and also always on a lookout to do something different, to do roles, to do work which is impactful, right? Today, cinema, there is no definition of these are the only genres. There are so many genres. Audience is exposed to multiple kinds of cinemas all across. And it is not easy to get people back in theatres. We've got to do a lot more, push a lot more boundaries as creatives, as whatever you're trying to attempt to get people back in theatres and feel it was worth their time and monies. And for that, we need to work really hard, be it identifying those stories. And once you identify, create those stories, nurture them, and make a really good film out of it, and then market it also. So, I mean, I'm from Chandigarh, right? And I really wanted to be home, which I am. But they said, you're going home. Can we do a quick round of promotions? And I'm like, while I can, of course, say no, I just want to be home, which I want to be. But I also understand that this is also important. This is part of the business.
True.
So yeah, that's the honest to God truth.
Seems like you have kept, quite a balance between the roots, Himachal, Chandigarh and Mumbai now. So how do you manage that? Do you miss much of Chandigarh, and how is it being back? Do you get to do what you want to do at all?
As I said, I don't take myself seriously. I know I'm a professional, I'm an actor, I know my job, and I really respect that. I'll never take that for granted. And the more you work, the more you understand the importance of humility. So that's my work side. Now my personal life side, I don't think I can be this person at work if at home I'm not the kind of person or the girl I am. And I'm all heart. I am my family is they're my best friends, and I just love spending time with them when I'm not working. I am someone who may forget where did I just keep something, and I might be, even though I try to be very organized, but forgetful about certain things. But some memories I have, some of the best memories, some of the strongest memories I have, they are from Himachal or Chandigarh. And which is what I was here at a university just before this, and I told them, and I don't think you can ever understand this until you're on the other side, that is the best time of your life.
Sure.
You know, somewhere when you're at that stage, आप सोच रहे होते हैं कि मुझे जल्दी से बड़ा होना है, मुझे और काम करना है, मुझे दुनिया देखनी है, वो सब ठीक है, वो सब बहुत अच्छा है, बट ये जो टाइम होता है आपका बचपन, आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग कैन एवर रिप्लेस दैट. एंड आप जैसे भी हैं, आप उसमें बहुत खुश होते हैं. There are no complaints. Those long summers, the early morning, we had this home और उसके सामने एक mango grow होता था, और summers was all about trying to aim कि वो अंबियाँ गिर जाएं, and then we'll take it back home and mama will make chutney, and early mornings would mean we can play badminton. अच्छा ground में नहीं, हाँ, on the road, because there is no traffic at that time. And so many just the smell of every season and the feel and the colors are still so clear, and the same is for Himachal. The moment I enter, I think I whether Chandigarh or Himachal, एक तबीयत होती है ना, खिल जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
So it is, for me, it's all about that. And yeah, that's what life is. I don't know if we can ever balance, but just be there at the moment where you are. And I always carry my essence, who I am, in my heart. I always have that. And I'm not someone who can pretend well to save my life, even though I'm an actor. And I think in real life, that's what it is. I mean, what's there to pretend? It's you just got to be who you are, and just be happy. So if I really have to step out, I do that. And I really enjoy doing that. And if I don't, I'm okay being at home also. So even back as in school and college, I was never someone who has to step out or he has to go, or no, I was okay. And so I'm not really fussy about it.
Okay. A family of artists, from your father, sister, and now husband, how much of the family discussion and time goes in talking films, or what is it as a family that you like to do?
Well, yeah, they're all from different divisions, directors and actors and everyone. It may look like we discuss a lot of films at home, but it not necessarily. As much as हर एक जैसे घर में होता है कि अच्छा अब कौन सी फिल्म लगी है, अच्छा ये फिल्म देखी, वो बहुत अच्छी है, या अच्छा और क्या अच्छा हो सकता है. So just बहुत ही एक बेसिक एक तौर पर, ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है कि हम यही डिस्कस करते हैं. नहीं, नॉट रियली, अनलेस देयर इज अ सजेशन दैट समवन वांट्स और आई नीड अ पर्सपेक्टिव दैट आई नीड. नॉट रियली. आमतौर पे सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है बातें खाने की होती हैं कि आज खाने में क्या बनाए. Isn't that the story of most of the households, especially?
No, in North India, surely.
है ना?
Yeah. Okay. And also you embraced motherhood recently. How's that journey?
I don't know I can ever put that in words. It has to be पूरी आपकी लाइफ आपको लगता है कि उस मोमेंट पे when you become mother, I remember that feeling very clearly, that whatever I was doing just moments before this, or whoever I was, it was a different person, and this moment onwards my life is completely different. And I think anyone in my position will understand this. Your life completely changes. And that emotion, I think, of being a mother is I don't think there's anything more powerful than that. The love of a mother. I see that with my mother. I've always seen that, of course. But to experience it on your own, it's then you get that. You get that, and anyway, I love my mother. I respect her so much, but it goes multiple folds even more once you embrace motherhood, and it's the most beautiful emotion. There are times where I feel I don't want to do anything, nothing. I just want to be home. I just want to be around him, just be around. And then, of course, there's a time where I know I'm a working mother. This is a profession I've chosen, which requires me to travel and be out there, and that is not necessarily the place for a child. So, thankful to my mother for helping me and Aditya, because even his film is up for almost ready for release. Um, so she, I mean, hats off to her first. A job of a mother, I don't think it ever gets over.
And in India, we have a really long span. We are also grandmothers.
That's
We
what I'm
continue
saying.
mothering
Yeah.
always.
And if that option was not there, I'm talking about myself, I don't think I would have been able to work.
True.
As I said, this is to each his own. I wouldn't have, maybe I wouldn't have been okay having him on set. It's not fair. It's not fair for anyone. First of all, it's not fair for my baby, for a child, and it's not even fair for the producers. So it's a very hard call. But because I'm just fortunate that my mom's there. No matter how many helping hands you have, and today we're living in, okay, there are nannies and this and that. You're talking about your baby, your piece of your heart, and who can you trust more than another piece of your heart, which is your mom. So I'm fortunate. So we can't. We're human beings. We need each other. We still need that. As I said, that is what I think empowerment is. So when जब किसी की लाइफ में कुछ सक्सेस मिलता है, या अगर कोई तारीफ करते हैं कि कंग्रेचुलेशंस, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, या आपकी फिल्म बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, उस कंग्रेचुलेशंस के पीछे बहुत लोगों का हाथ होता है. Essentially your family. It's not you. It's never you alone. It's never yours. So yeah, so I dedicate this to my family, to my mother.
चंडीगढ़ में हम हैं. हम जानना चाहते हैं, पंजाबी स्क्रिप्ट्स भी आती हैं आपके रास्ते कभी? Will you be open to work in one?
कभी आई नहीं है,
अच्छा.
पर अगर ऐसा कभी होता है, अगर कोई अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आएगी तो why not?
And how good is पंजाबी? बोल लेते हो रामलाल?
मैं बोल सकती हूँ, बिल्कुल मैं बोल लेंदी ਹਾਂ. ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਸੀ ਸਕੂਲ 'ਚ, ਇੱਕ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦਾ, ਤੇ I used to score also pretty good.
Back to the topic of today, Haq. It's winning so much love and praise. लोग already बात कर रहे हैं, getting a national award for you. How does that feedback make you feel?
No matter what I say, I'll only sound immodest, so I'm not going to say anything on that. But again, I don't know how to express this gratitude. I don't know how to express, how to say thank you to each and every person, each and every my audience, even certain section of media. I think even they have been extremely supportive. मैं बदले में क्या दे सकती हूँ? There's nothing that I have, or I just a promise and just a commitment that, as I said, I'll never take my audience and my people who believe in me for granted, and I'll keep working harder. Throughout my journey, anyone who's followed my journey or who's been with me, they would know I'm not someone who's thrived or been there much in terms of just like everything else. आजकल की जो डिजिटल एज है, जहाँ पर less is more का ज़माना नहीं है. You have to be seen more, you have to be talked about more, you have to be present everywhere. I've always chosen to do what I believe is right for me, and which is just focus on my work. My work is my best spokesperson. और अगर तारीफ फिर अगर तारीफ मिलती है काम की, that means people have accepted me for who I am. And I think that's the biggest achievement for me. So I can only say thank you. क्या होगा कल वो मुझे नहीं पता. अगर मैं आज की सुनूं, अगर मैं बिलीव करती हूँ, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं बहुत it is a very emotional, overwhelming moment for me. It's not just about being happy. It's also about maybe for another generation जो शायद कल वो यहाँ बैठे होंगे इस कुर्सी पर, कि आप बिना उन सब चीज़ों के भी आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं अगर आप अपने काम पे फोकस करें, मेहनत करें. और रास्ता थोड़ा लंबा है, बट जैसे मेरी फिल्म में है तुम सही हो, ऐसे कहीं ना कहीं शायद हम सही हैं.
Any last words for our viewers?
व्यूअर्स, मैं तो यही कहूँगी कि व्यूअर्स, अगर मैं यहाँ हूँ तो व्यूअर्स की वजह से ही हूँ, क्योंकि व्यूअर्स देखना चाहते हैं. व्यूअर्स, अगर कुछ भी अच्छा काम हम लोग करते हैं तो किसके लिए करते हैं? एक अपनी सेटिस्फैक्शन तो है ही, बट इवेंचुअली व्यूअर्स के लिए है सब कुछ, कि उन्हें अच्छा लगे. वी होप वो फिल्म देखें, वी होप वो कनेक्ट कर पाएँ, वी होप कि कल को भी कोई और जब फिल्म आए तो लगे कि अच्छा इनकी फिल्म है या फिल्म का हिस्सा है तो कुछ अच्छा होगा, है ना. तो और ये व्यूअर्स ध्यान देते हैं इन सब बातों पे, वो सब देखते हैं. नथिंग गोज अननोटिस्ड टुडे. तो थैंक यू सो मच टू थ्रू योर मीडियम टू आवर व्यूअर्स फॉर जहाँ पे आपने हम जैसे आर्टिस्ट को भी जगह दी, बहुत बड़ी जगह दी, और इस जगह की इज्जत मैं हमेशा रखूँगी.
Thanks for being with us, Yami. Huck is playing in cinemas now. Thank you.